Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your event registrations into Eventbrite and LinkedIn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Eventbrite account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Manage Events section. Choose the event for which you wish to transfer registrations. Click on the Attendees tab to view the current registrations. Select the attendees you want to transfer. Look for the option to export the selected registrations. Choose the format for exporting, typically a CSV file. Download the file and save it to your computer. Next, log into your LinkedIn account. Go to the LinkedIn Events section. Click on Create Event to set up a new event page. Fill in the necessary details for your event, including title, date, and description. Once the event page is created, look for the option to invite or add attendees. Choose Import to upload the CSV file you previously exported from Eventbrite. Map the columns in the CSV file to the appropriate fields in LinkedIn. Finalize the upload and check if all registrations are correctly displayed. Review your LinkedIn event page for accuracy. Once confirmed, share your event link with your network. Monitor responses and engage with your attendees as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.